There's silver in my nightmares again and again. Cold, cold body.
This is the smallest seat I've ever been in.
It's pretty bad. It's gonna be a long 6 hours. Hey guys, we made it to Thailand. We are in Chiang Mai for the next 3 days, and I thought I would give you a little tour of our Airbnb type situation we have going on. Here's the front door. You walk in. Here's our living room. Got a nice little balcony out there. Nice little kitchen. And then you walk into the bedroom. Awesome view with our bed. And here's the bathroom. And then we also have a nice little closet over here too. Here's another look at the view. Such a nice day out today. Definitely a lot warmer than what Misawa is experiencing right now. Our plan for today is to go grocery shopping just to pick up a few things. And then after that, I think we're gonna grab lunch somewhere and then walk around like the main city area, which if you've been to Chiang Mai, you'll know is sort of like this perfect square. And then, yeah, we'll just go and find some temples and just kind of experience Chiang Mai for the first day that we're here.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy.
Got our groceries.
Got our groceries and we're walking back. I love mango, it's my favorite fruit. I'm so happy.
Run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away.
Where are we at?
We are at a Mediterranean restaurant, so we'll see if it's good. I heard good things.
Come on, Mom.
Got my hummus, falafel. It's really good. A temple near our place, and it's actually so cool. There's so many temples around here, kind of like similar to Japan. They're just everywhere, but these ones are just so intricate. It's so cool. Out and about again. I think we're gonna go to a different temple and gonna try and eat some dinner. So we got some souvenirs.
We just got this nice, cool
yeah,
elephant
Matt's
shirt. When you're in Thailand,
Sure.
you gotta get an elephant shirt.
Yes, that's like the typical thing to do. You gotta look like the tourist.
Yes.
Why you want to look one temple?
Just one. We're gonna go eat after. right, we just made it to the temple, and this temple looked so cool. I'm so glad we decided to stop. It was also Matt's first tuk-tuk ride. How did you like it?
It was pretty cool. Our tuk-tuk driver was very nice.
Yeah,
and
he was really funny. He kept saying...
I flagged him down and he said, I love you.
Yeah, he was like, I love you. So yeah, that was pretty fun.
We are on our way to our Thai cooking class for today, and they picked us up a little earlier than we expected, so we didn't get a good intro in, but we are now in the back of a multiple person tuk-tuk, and we are going to pick other people up and go to a Thai market, so we'll see how it goes.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Eat like apple. Yeah, eat like you can buy.
Oh wow.
And you can come closer. Oh my gosh.
We're not gonna eat it.
No, no. Not for eating.
That I felt something when your hand was holding mine. When was the last time that we did that? 'Cause I'm really missing you. It was so
Just a bunch of guys hanging out. Trying to see what the turtles are for? What are the
So apparently the turtles are for life longevity, so you don't eat them. You release them into the river, and it means that you're gonna have like a longer life or something like that. I think that's what she said.
Do you release the frogs?
Yes, you eat the frogs though, unfortunately.
I just wanna hang. When was the last time that we did that? It was so long ago. It was so long ago. And I miss you. Which was so
not too much. Here is that we call it the most. For the lemongrass in cooking, we added a little bit of the bottom part here. A little bit. We added the tom yum soup and make the curry paste today. And the lemongrass in Thailand, we use for make mosquito spray, shampoo product or massage oil. And we have soap. Right. Try to smell it.
There you go.
Try to smell it.
Oh, it does smell good.
Katie, look at me and smile, wave.
After we wrap it organic, we come back to it.
Do we get to feed them?
It's been so It's been so I miss you, wanna kiss you, but I can't anymore. It's been so
How's the cooking class so far?
Awesome. I'm so glad we did it. It's really cool.
We haven't eaten anything yet.
No, we're
But
hungry.
We prepared everything. Are you excited for the mango sticky rice?
Yeah, I'm really excited for that.
No, down, guys. And then for you. Now, everyone, if you like it, you can add the last one in this. Add the topping. Everyone, add the topping. Tom yum goong, one more for you. Chili oil. This is not spicy. We add for make color.
Just finished your soup.
Yeah, it's delicious.
We
I didn't think I would like it as much as I did, but it's really
It's sitting over there. We don't get to eat it yet.
making the curry next.
I got the prawn soup, which is very good. I got
It
to
looks
try
really
it.
good.
She puts chili oil in it, so it has a little bit more seasoning and spice to it, but it's very good. How is it?
Perfect. It's so good. Last one.
Dalian. And now for pad thai, only pad thai. Take oil here, take it one spoon please, or one spatula. Pad thai, take it one spatula.
I can't believe that I did it.
For the amount of food you get and the price it was, it's well worth it.
I'm struggling.
So much food.
คุณพ่อ mix it and then
All right, we finished with our cooking class. How did you like it, Matt?
It was very fun and enjoyable and delicious.
I honestly really recommend doing a cooking class while in Thailand. It was actually so interesting. They took us to the market, taught us about the food, made the food, and we made a lot of things. We each got to choose like 3 different things from each course, and then mango sticky rice and the tea.
Thai tea?
Yep, the Thai tea. It was so good. So we did ours through Mama Noi Thai cooking school, and highly recommend. Like, everything was super clean. It was really good. They picked us up from our apartment. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. I think now we're gonna go back to the main city area, and there seemed like there was a lot of really cool gift shops and stuff in that area. So I think we might eat over there as well. I'm not sure, but. And then after that, we're probably just gonna come back and relax and get ready for our elephant day tomorrow.